everyone, divide the hair into 4 portions and then at the bottom add multiple rubber bands as such. Braid the sides and roll it into a bun. For our next hairdo, make 4 braids on the sides and then make 2 ponytails at the bottom. Crisscross the top 2 braids and then join it at the bottom. For our next hairdo, divide the front portion of the hair, the middle and then the bottom. Start off by taking the middle portion and take sections of it and add it to the side. Add multiple rubber bands. Join it with the front portion as well. For our next hairdo, make 2 braids at the top and then make 2 braids on either side of the head. Join these 2 braids together respectively. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, make a braid out of a section of the ponytail. Tie up rubber bands multiple times till the bottom. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Add a ribbon to this ponytail and then make 2 braids out of it using the ribbon as a section. After this, roll it up into a bun and then tie a ribbon out of it. For our next hairdo, take a section off the top of the head and then tie a bow with the ribbon to it. Make 2 braids out of it and then taking another portion of the ribbon as a section, make a French braid out of it taking sections from the front of the head. Do this on either side of the head and then join it at the back into 2 ponytails. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Then take a bun stick and then roll the hair up as such. Twist the bun stick and then make a bun out of it. Adjust the hair accordingly and add a cute rubber band to it. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the top and then make a braid out of it. Make 2 braids at the bottom and then roll it upwards. Tie a ribbon to the hair. Start off by tying a ponytail, take a section of the ponytail and make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band 2 inches south of it. Loosen the hair using your fingers. Repeat until you reach the bottom. For our next hairdo, take 2 sections off the top and add multiple rubber bands to the 2 sections as follows. Take another section from the back and tie a ponytail to it. Roll the section in on itself, braid it, make a heart. Tie 2 braids at the bottom, roll it upwards. Start off by sectioning the hair into 4 parts. Tie ponytails out of all of these 4 parts and then roll them in on themselves. Divide one of the sections into 2 parts and then tie a thread to it and then start to braid the hair using the thread. Do this for both the sections, make a heart-like shape, join it at the bottom and then tie a ponytail. For our next hairdo, take 2 sections off the top and then tie a ponytail out of it. Make a braid as well. Tie 2 braids at the bottom and join it all together. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, then add a thread through it. Roll the hair and make a bun shape out of it. You may add a rubber band to fasten it more into place. Adjust it accordingly. For our next hairdo, divide the hair diagonally into 4 portions. Tie multiple rubber bands on the left side, braid the right side and tie it up. Divide the hair diagonally, comb the bottom, make multiple sections, add the rubber bands, tie it up and join it to the top. Braid the hair, roll it up. Thank you for watching.